Hi, welcome to Money Horn again. Today, I would like to show you get paid $5 daily to make money online from Aviso and SEOAmir online earning site that I'm going to introduce in this video. Just simply stay with me. I would like to show you how easy it is and how you can get paid. And I'm going to show you the payment proof as well from those sites. So simply just stay with me, and without wasting any of your time, I would like to show you the first site that today I'd like to show you is called SEOAmir.com.ru. So this is not .com, it's this .ru. This is a Russian site. So you need to have a Google Chrome extension or translate Google Chrome, Google Translate extensions for your browser, whether whichever browser you use is Chrome or Firefox. You have to just use any auto translate software, auto translate extensions, so that you can translate these sites into English. Otherwise you cannot read these in English. So simple is that you just go over to the SEOAmir.ru. You can see this is obviously as you expected, it's a PTC site. So just go on and hit the registration button, and it will show simple form fill up, and it just fill it up, hit submit, confirm your mail, and you're good to go to be on this platform. So you have to just go on. After you register, you will see something like this. This is just a new account I have just created, and you can see you can earn money by this is the earn money sections. You can see you can earn money by surfing site, multi-surfing, reading letters, completing tasks, and various type of test and app testing, and the YouTube and VK social network earning. So simply is that you just going to go through all these categories, and you will see some advertise and some task out there, and it will be a good shape. You can see if I just click on this and watch it for some 20 seconds, I will get some this type of ruble. They are paying by ruble. So this is it, guys. Simply just go on, wait for some times, and boom, you will get paid for it. So if I just click on it, it will show a button. If I just click on this button, it will load the page. So it's showing me the seconds, 20 seconds I have to wait for it to get paid from it. So it's a PTC site, so obviously the payment is minimum, but the more tasks you do, the more money you will get. But simply this type of sites always pays, and I have already showed you in my previous video. You can see it in my channel, and you can it's easy, and you can see you just slide it to the right and hit this button, and you are getting paid for this. So close it out and hit refresh, and you can see the balance has been added to this master account. My ruble has been added to this account. So and something like that. If you just go on to the YouTube sections here, and you can see right now no jobs are available for it, because everybody already completed their task, and no jobs available. But simply time to time you will log in regularly, you will get your jobs there. And if you just click on completing task here, and you can see these are the tasks you can do. You can see for 50.5 rubles, 1 rubles, 2 rubles, 1.2 rubles. You can see the simple task, simple sign up work. You just go over to this task, just complete the requirement step by step. Just it will record like 2 to 3 minutes of your work, and simply submit your screenshot, and you will be good to go. They will check it manually, and then release that fund to be added to your account. So that's where you can earn money from SEOAmir.ru. You can see there are lots of tasks every day. You just simply log in daily and just complete this task, and you will be good to earn a decent amount of money every day. But there, as it's a PTC site, you need to be work hard here. You have to spend some hours here to get some amount of money. As I said, you to earn money like $5, you have to work a really long time for it to earn money. That is the way or it is, but obviously it will pay you. This is the guarantee. So simply this is the site, and if you just want to get paid from it, you just click on your account balance here, and it will show the options. They can pay you by Kiwi, they pen and Payer, and as well 3 wallets available right right now, but at least for pair you need to have accumulate 5 rubles right now to get paid from this site. So you just work daily, work regularly, and obviously you will get from these sites. This is the similar sites. You may recall it, my video about Aviso. It's a similar site, a similar copy site. So a similar script build these sites for you. So simply I'm just obviously going to Aviso as well. This is the Aviso site, and it's a translated site, as it's in complete Russian language. So I translated it, and here it is. It's a similar site. If I log into my Aviso account and go to the home page, and you can see this is a similar site, similar kind of site, similar script used to build this site so far. So this site is SEOAmir, is a newly launched site, is only age like 6 months ago, 6 months old site. So these sites have some low task right now, but day by day the people will know these sites and you will get more task from it. So if I just go over to the Aviso, this is a really old site. It's a 5-year-old site. So this is a really old site. There you can get lots of tasks available out there. You can see the lots of tabs, never ending task. You will obviously get task here, and you will get you can do all the tasks daily, and surely you can hit the $5 mark daily, obviously, if you work hard regularly. So this is it, guys. You have to work hard to earn money on PTC sites like this, because the payout is very minimum, but these pays, obviously they will pay you out. So simply just go on. You can see that the YouTube sections, if I just click on the YouTube sections, you can see there are lots of YouTube view. It's easy task. You simply just view that video for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and sometimes you will have to wait more to get more payment from this. So this is it, guys. You just simply see that I have like 2.02 rubles. So if I just click on it, I have just added my pair account here. So 2.02, I like to get paid from it. So if I just click on it, the pair options here, and if I just, you can see I have already set it up. They may send me 1.92 rubles. So I just slide it out to the right and hit payout, and they are like sended me the payment. So let's see it. The payment is out there. You can see in my payer account, my ruble balance is 0. So I just hit refresh here. So let's see if it appears in my, yes, it is. You can see they have just sent me 1.9 after cutting their fees from 2.02. They have just sent me 1.9 rubles. So as you can see, I am hitting the refresh button again, and you can see that I have just received 1.90 ruble from this Aviso.biz site. So Aviso.biz, obviously this type of site pays. This is the proof of a payment. Again, I'm showing you the proof of payment that you can work with, and the similar kind of site is that SEOAmir, and you will surely get paid, and they pay instantly to your account as usual. So simply this is it, guys. If you're liking this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so we are always notified on my latest videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.